Hi, this is one of the desert camp we are using. Like you can see the camels there, and these are the cars which we used for dune bashing. And once we enter the camp, I'll show you the difference between other camps. So this is the welcome drink, which is Arabian coffee with some dates. This is complimentary, and then you have some perfumes. This is at chargeable basis if you want to buy some souvenirs. So that's one thing you can see here. These are chargeable. So this is on the right hand side, and once you go on the left hand side, you see the shisha, different flavors which they offer you. So we have one. Brother, कौन से flavors हैं? So they have different flavors also available here. Like you have grapes and dates, berries. So this you can enjoy at a charge. कितना charge अभी है इसका? कितना charge है? 60 dirham.
60 or 75.
60 or 75 dirham is the charge which you need to pay for this.
Flavor,
2-3 flavors.
mix 75.
75 mixed flavors if you are taking. So this is the sisa counter, and then you can see some guests are enjoying behind that also now. This is the sand art which is very famous. Like you can write your names as well. You can buy it at an extra charge. These are the sittings which are used when there is huge rush, especially during the season time. This is the tent 2, and this can accommodate up to 400 guests easily. So when you come here, henna painting is complimentary. So if you are, especially for the females, I mean, this is very famous. This is a souvenir soap, which again chargeable. Earlier we used to offer complimentary Photoshop also, those who want to try the traditional dress. But now due to COVID it's closed because the same dress is being used by the different guests, so they have stopped it. So that's the DJ room. They have some fresh juice available. And a tea counter. These are chargeable. Tea is not chargeable, the fresh juice is chargeable. And when it comes to the hard drinks, they have almost, I think, all brands like Grants, Jack Daniel, Teachers, Shivas, all main brands they have to offer. That's again chargeable. Soft drinks and water is complimentary, but if you are taking some hard drinks or beers, that's chargeable. That's the main buffet area where food is served. And it's a good buffet. Mr. Sanjeev Katyal, our local partner.
This is the
So
buffet area.
this is the buffet area. So you have, the main thing is like, especially for Indians, I mean, they love veg food, so they have so many things to offer. It's a widespread buffet for vegetarian also, because that's something which miss. And that's the basic difference between our camp and the other camps, because we are having the widespread buffet. The quality of food, I don't know how you can see it in this buffet or not, but it's really good. I mean, people always complain about the food and how it's served, but here, I mean, not only the quality or the way it's